You'll have love at first sight with the 2018 Hyundai Sonata. With less than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Get the best of quality, comfort, and convenience in this family-friendly Sonata. This stylish midsize four-door sedan offers the advanced safety features, smooth performance, and passenger amenities you need to make every drive pure pleasure. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, backup camera, satellite radio, keyless start, heated mirrors, blind spot monitor, aluminum wheels, heated front seat, power driver seat, steering wheel audio controls. Don't settle for ordinary when you can have extraordinary. Get into this smooth, spacious, well-equipped Sonata. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.